catch on this bracket over here. Am I good?
Yeah, you're good.
If I buy as a big intercooler, I'm gonna have to get bigger piping.
Yeah.
Fuck me.
Well, this pipe, that pipe is going to be good. That's big enough. You just need the same diameter of houses. They're up and coming.
But
They're better than
these
just
coilovers are max speed and all, aren't they?
a lot. The rods in this. A lot of the stuff is the turbo.
Yeah, you can't get the GT45 T4/T3 600 plus horsepower LS Turbo 1 from anywhere else. I shit you not.
It's just going to wiggle it up.
It's a jiggle, not a wiggle.
Back off. Careful with that. That's really expensive. That's. You see how I'm holding on to this one?
You guys should feel good about it. That's prestige.
What?
Whoosh.
Oh yeah.
Sit down. Very nice.
Hey, Dustin. I figured out why it wouldn't build over 22.
What?
Shh. It's touching something.
I'm fucking excited for my exhaust, dude. That's gonna be bitching. Right out the side right here for the front tire.
I wish mine was.
That's where you're putting your exhaust oil? That nasty oil.
It's turbo oil.
Turbo oil, baby.
Pulling all over my nice new transmission.
Uh-oh.
What the fuck, dude?
Did you fart?
That was my phone vibrating. I took a picture of that and sent it to him. But yeah, as for rust, there's hardly anything. It's a good truck. It's really, really, really fucking loud.
It is, yeah.
It drives good. If the tires are balanced, yes, it will drive great. Yeah, because if you do anything like over 30, I hope that's going on YouTube.
Easy peasy.
Give me the beans, John. Come on now. You still got a heater hose hooked up back here.
No, it's not hooked up.
Oh, it's not? Okay, my bad.
See the clutch hose there?
Where's your car at, Sam?
My house.
Alright, who's got a trailer here for you?
I don't know.
Hopefully Levi brings my new car.
Wait, did you buy that Accord? You said your new car.
He's taking the Accord and trading it for a, yeah. He sent me a picture and I was like, I want that car.
Where are they at?
Right there.
Put two of them together. Two of them together? Yeah. Okay. Making a mess.
Antifreeze.
Oh, I think I figured out a thing that we're gonna do.
You want me to pull my car in?
Oh, the keeping from getting hot? Yeah. What do you got in mind?
I'm thinking.
Honestly, why don't I just use these? Sorry to interrupt you. Why don't I just use these?
Because I have to use them on mine.
I'll just give you mine.
I won't, not same. You have a EK.
That's right. Yeah. Gotta think about things, right, John? Yes. These look like somewhere, so it's not gonna angle right now. These look like these are nice and thin.
It's factory.
Those are factory?
No, it's factory with an insert and then.
Alright, I'm gonna get a picture of this, post on my story and say, look at all the work I just did.
Make sure you don't get your hands in the picture.
Yeah. Alright, so.
2-foot long sandwich.
That was a big ass sandwich.
That
Dude.
thing's scary.
That's-
Yeah, Fred's not even scared. Fred's just trotting his happy ass back to the house.
Look at your friend.
Why?
Because I want to see Fred.
It's gonna be a bitch to get in the truck though.
Not really.
Let's go.
Pull up to that.
Let's go.
Fred, how do you even get him off here and get him back in here?
That's a good point.
Get him off where? Here, because he will not get back in the truck. Unless he has like a hill or something. Or it's like
It's not so much these two heavy, it's just
he's gonna flip out.
that too. And you cannot drive anything behind him without touching something. I mean, a singular testicle is the size of a Honda.
It's just him bottle that fur.
He is, I
Pull out his PSI, take on the strong train again, Adam D. Hold those in, waiting on Adam, he's in there.
hey, I will say Fred has
Adam left corner.
16 degrees right now, but
Need to be at 12.
Because this is
Y7.
it is a true Y7.
Yeah.
All right, you know, this is a distributor. Yep. Straight up. Camp plan was good. Let's get her 12 degrees. Most likely one of your injectors. My guess. Other way. A little more. A little more. A little more. A little more. Right there. You good? Oh, that's 13. Hang on. More. Right there, more. Right there. Perfect. Yeah, I'm looking at injectors. Maybe get some seafoam. Can't seafoam enough in your tank. Let it run through.
I did some injector fluid not too long ago.
Seafoam.
It's like the STP shit though. Thanks, John.